All right, so we'll start here. For this, I guess we'll try to do like maybe like a 3-day series on this particular website. So I posted that I put some money into this website, and and also put money into FundStream, which actually was not up as long as this website. This website I think was created maybe like 4 days or 5 days after FundStream, and everyone that jumped into FundStream realized they weren't getting paid. The one thing I will say, I don't have any referrals on FundStream, and I don't actually have. I think I have one referral on here, but they didn't deposit any money, which so far so good. We'll just say about that. But the one thing I want to say, right? I like this site. I like the FundStream site. I think they both look really, really nice. The things like this stuff up here at the top, they make the site look more legit. The things like this over here on sorry, I'm trying to highlight this stuff on the top, but it won't let me highlight the stuff on the top without clicking on it. But this type of stuff right here, right? They make the site look more legit than it probably actually is. And the reason why I say that is because hopefully we can go to FundStream. Uh, anyway, we'll just use this one right here. FundStream, right? The sites are exactly the same pretty much. As you guys know, I already did a video. As you guys can see here, McAfee. You guys can see here, anti-DDoS. So they also do this one thing, right? See right here? This says that the United Kingdom registered company, right? You click on it, it opens up a new website. It says CoinStream, just like it's just like it says on FundStream site, CoinStream Limited. You don't know if this is really in cahoots with CoinStream or if they're just looking for a way to not be sued, but by using someone else's information and get them kind of sued in a way. But as you guys can see here, it shows their information. It does say, I guess, their file is due by the 2018. Not exactly sure what that means, but you know, it looks legit. I don't know how legit this site is. I don't even know what this is. So I'm in America, so I couldn't tell you what that was. But anyway, when you watch the promo is the same one from off the website. The one thing I wanted to say too was about this the daily forever. Usually when you have when you're making more money daily, uh this to me, it all makes it look really legit. I'm not That's just the one thing I want to say. It all looks really legit. The only problem that I really had was, like I mentioned to you guys before, was the testimonials down here. I can't really click on them, but you guys see it here, testimonials. And then there was a Facebook. They're getting more likes every day, it seems like, but again, they're not paying out. So we'll just say that you could just see the site looks the same as oh, the fun stream was right next to it. Sorry about that. Looks the same as this one. When you log out, you pretty much get the same exact look as before. The only difference is this little thing right here is actually at the bottom of the login and information. It looks exactly the same. March, they got started, all that good stuff. It doesn't really, none of that stuff matters. So, what I wanted to do was maybe like a 3-day series. It's not a lot of money, so we'll just do it to see if it's legit. Obviously, if you guys want to jump in, you can. If you don't. I will just say straight up, just don't. Right. But I'm only doing it just to do a real test. So I did a 21-day test because that was the only one that really had like a good amount. So if you guys can see, level one, I did I think like a fifth of I'm sorry, I think it was like 500th of a Bitcoin. Depositing that amount, you'll get 800% return after 3 weeks. Any site that gives you more money the longer you stay with the company, the more legit the information that they're giving off is. I'm gonna say that first and foremost, right? So if you only do 1 day, right, at 4%, and I have a calculator open, right? So if I do zero point zero 0.01, or let's just say, because today I might do 0.005, and we multiply that times 1%, 4%. I'm sorry, you get your 100% plus a 4% return. I'll walk back with this after 1 day. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 days. It would take 18 days to double my money. So But the only problem with that is it actually costs money to send the money. So technically, it may cost me more than 18 days. It might take like 21 days to double it. Why do that when you can do the 21 days by just leaving it into the account? So they thought this out. This is very smart. The only problem is it legit, right? So that's kind of what we're gonna do now. So we're gonna see if they're actually paying out every single day for the next 18 days. I've already been in for about 3 days, so I should get 2 payouts on the eighth. I'm sorry, I should be doubled up from one, and I should have a full payout at the end of the other one. So we'll put this in as 5, right? Spin from Bitcoin. The only thing I also want to say, any site that usually asks you what's the amount you're going to send them, I will honestly say usually the scam. Um, I'm doing this, obviously you guys know me. I do this just to show you guys if it's real or not. But if it asks you what's the amount you're sending them, why do I have to tell you what I'm sending you when you clearly will be able to know? But Bitcoin's brain does the same thing. So I can't really say that's a scam because that one is actually paying out. But most sites, they'll already know because they're going to receive my payment. So why do I have to tell you what I'm going to send you? How about you just look at my payment that I sent you? So so we'll start here, right? Let's see. So we have send. We're gonna put the amount here of 0.0, sorry, 0.005. It's 14 bucks. Tomorrow, I guess I'll get back. I don't even know what it is. It won't be enough. It'll probably be about the same. Actually, it'll be less. I'll make less on this, but I just want to see if they're actually gonna pay me out. So I'm losing $1 in fees, and I think 5% of this is like 80 cents. So it's nothing. So we'll just press it because we're just going to do a test. I actually won't have any money coming back to me because I lost more by doing that. But it doesn't matter. So I know that this took forever last time, till almost 3 hours for it to go through. So I'm going to stop the video here. And then we'll pick back up tomorrow from the same place once I receive the funds. So we see it's 8 o'clock. When I sent it, I'll probably do like a continuation part of this from this point, and then I will let you guys know tomorrow if I received the funds directly or if I had to, ask for it back, because I believe this one you have to ask for it. Because if you go to withdrawal history, it may or may not. No, I don't know. Oh yeah, here it is. So I can go to withdraw. It actually, what do you want to withdraw, I guess? So this is where it's going to go. And then you type in your amount you want to withdraw. Okay. So yeah. So we'll wait. We'll see what happens. And then, yeah, I'll let you guys know. So that's where I'm going to stop the video at. All right, guys. Sorry about a little bit of a delay in the timing. I guess you guys are gonna see that from the top, that it's almost like an 8 hour delay. It's like 6 hour delay or whatever it is. Um, it was a little bit of a delay for me because I actually got I'm actually doing something. So I just wanted to show you guys that my deposit did go in. So total deposits, right here, active deposit, and then it does show my last deposit being the same amount that I did before. And as you guys can see, no wait, I think it's underneath deposit list. Here it is. Okay, cool. So you guys can see I did the two deposits. This one's supposed to be after 1 day. It's not 150%. It's actually, like you guys remember seeing, it's only gonna be 4%. So it's not gonna be a lot. I just want to see if they're actually gonna pay out that small amount. And then we have this other one that says 2,000%, which is actually gonna be 100%. So so I guess we'll wait on that one as well. But as you guys can see, I'm 3 days into this one, this deposit right here. And then for this one, just a couple hours in, it says 2:37 p.m., but that's not Eastern Standard Time because they verified it at 9:37. So 9:37 Eastern Standard Time is 2:37 their time. I don't know, maybe it's GMT as well. But I just wanted to finish off the video by showing you the deposit did go through. Everything did clear. I don't remember the exact time I sent it, but it was like a couple minutes later. It wasn't like a full hour. So this is where I'll end the video. We'll check back in tomorrow.